Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
This album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived in all the buildings when I was hustling from the police and when I was trying to make the money to do my brother. When I was living in New York, it was all a dream.
Oh yeah, you do? Yes, sir. I appreciate it. I love it, man. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching. What's your name, man? What's in here?
Simil, 6 ZV515s. Not ZV5, sorry. 6 ZVX15 stars.
Okay.
With different logos. One of the caps came off. And I got a 25K. My friend, he has his own company, Ralphie Songs.
Okay.
So he got a 35K on base. I bought 66.
Okay.
And I got like 2410s on McLaren. 11Ks PRV.
Did you do this install?
I did the electrical, but my friend, Punisher Customs Charlie from New York, he did the doors and the box.
So what all was in the doors, you said?
McLaren, the McLaren Top 100s.
Okay.
24 pieces.
24 speakers.
Yes. Yeah, 20 in the doors, 9 in the 4 in the box.
Wow. So 24 speakers and 6 15s. Wow. Do you know the specs on the enclosure, cubic space tuning?
It's supposed to be, I think it's, shit, I think it was 4.5 cubes per section, because it's divided into 6 sections.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's all divided. I can play one sub by itself, and it will play.
So you've actually got a space right here.
Yes. Divided.
Oh, okay.
Everything is divided individually.
That's pretty good. Have you done any SPL tests on it?
No, I never did an SPL on it.
Okay. Wow.
But right now we just tuned it up for a little bit lows. I think we just broke the roof. The reason for this, we had this truck, it comes with the cooling in the inside. So this is not the original headliner. We just replaced it, you know?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Got it.
Alright.
Awesome. And the last question is your lithium and alternator power.
Alright. My lithium, I have 4 full mix match alternators. I got a McMahon DC, a McMahon 370, DC 450, Denso 370, and there's a regular one for the truck.
Okay.
And then the lithium power, I got 209 amp hour C-Max, the skinny cells.
Yes. Yep.
That's what I'm running.
Very nice. This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have a quick bass spare tire amplifier and subwoofer system, the QBS TA 11-inch sub rated at 300 watts RMS from NVX. It has a built-in 300 watt RMS amplifier and mounts directly to the hub of spare tires. The frequency range it plays is 30 to 150 Hz, has a top mount amplifier control for ease of tuning, and a wired bass level control as needed. Check out all links in the description to learn more, and shout out to NVX for sponsoring this video. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So that's the charger voltage and then the battery.
Okay. All right. Thanks for all the info, man. I'm looking forward to hearing it.
All right. I'll give it to you right now.
Yeah.
You gotta hold it for the outside.
Yeah, man. Sure.
I took one on one man one time. She like FaceTime, we still talking cool. I take the feds on every iPhone. I'ma pull up t-shirts, put that shit on everything from now on. But you know my image, no more picture on my styrofoam. Body for that cheap on these houses if I'm not with This little one stay on go. FaceTime, we still talking cold like that. Fans on every iPhone. No more polo t-shirts, ain't shit on every day from now on. Pushing on my image, no more picture on my styrofoam. Why the fuck I keep buying these houses if I'm never home? Oh, a guy ain't never wrong. Supermodel, I'm stepping on.
Did a really good job. Thanks for showing me, man. Nice to meet you.